Hey guys, today I will show you how to remove background from photo online by using iPhone or any phone or computer. Just tap on the Safari button and writing there remove.bg and then tap go. Then tap upload image, then photo library, then select photo from your phone and tap choose and tap download and tap view, and all the down tap arrow button and tap save image, and that's it. And open photos and you can see the remove background, remove photo. Thank you for watching this video.